ATL has brought the solution for reliable deburring into our home.
Mein Name ist Markus Koegel,
My name is Markus Koegel. I am the Managing Director of Koegel Machining Technologies. Koegel was founded by my parents in 1989. We currently have 70 employees and are an established machining contractor. Machining is our core competency, and our main industrial focuses are in the hydraulic, medicine, automotive, and engineering fields.
Kfz, Maschinenbau.
We began as a classical processing contractor and have become a complete service provider in the years since our conception. Our services include everything from raw material scheduling, machining, deburring, and surface technology to the pre-assembly of parts.
Technik bis hin zur Vormontage von Baugruppen.
As a machining service provider, we always have to deal with burrs which are naturally produced in any machining process.
Zerspannung kommt von
Machining is known as subtractive manufacturing. This means that we cut raw material into a desired final shape. After machining, burrs will always be present. Burrs can cause major problems with installed hydraulic components and in turn, the entire hydraulic system, if we are not able to adequately address the issue of burrs.
in Griff bekommen.
This is where ATL thrives.
Ins Spiel. Das thermische Engraten kann man natürlich auch von externen
Thermal deburring can of course be done by external service providers who specialize exclusively in deburring. As you can imagine, deburring can be a process that requires a significant amount of logistics in order to perform. The machine parts have to be packed for transport to the deburring contractor. Then there's the issue of transportation duration. Finally, the parts must be deburred, repacked, and then returned to us, which costs time and money.
Bringen der Teile durch den WE-Schleusen und die Zeit, die Woche, was die Teile.
We want to avoid the time the parts spend on the road and the logistic costs that are involved, which can often be higher than the deburring cost alone.
Kosten, die wir so nicht brauchen können. Das hat uns
All of these reasons made us want to do this process in-house.
klassische primäre thermische.
The primary thermal deburring process takes a fraction of a second in which the burrs are burned off. When this process is finished, the aluminum oxide left over after deburring must be washed off in order to deliver the parts to our customer in compliance with the drawings.
Einungsgerecht die Teile an unseren Kunden ausliefern zu können.
Thermal deburring has the advantage that it is very cheap in comparison to other deburring methods, and the cycle times are much quicker. It has been and will remain the safest and most dependable method of deburring in the hydraulic industry.
Sicherste Engraten in der Hydraulikbranche gilt. Der Vorteil von ATL, was wir gesehen haben,
ATL provides a competitive edge with its innovativeness and flexibility, which has always had the added benefit of helping us in the area of service. The machine has completely convinced us with its easy setup and controllability.
Überzeugt vom Aufbau her, von dem Herangehen, wie ich die Maschine.
We really enjoy this about flexible companies, and I have nothing but good things to say about ATL.
Wir sind froh, dass wir seit 2000
We are happy that we have been able to do our own in-house thermal deburring ever since we received the machine in 2014. ATL has increased our turnover by 30% without having to expand our employee base.